Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites quickly. Check your Android version and free at least 100 megabytes of storage so Zarchiver can operate. Once done, back up the archive you plan to open to internal storage or an SD card. This prevents corruption. Next, open Google Play and update Zarchiver to the latest build. Updates fix bugs and compatibility. You're taking these steps now, so you won't hit permission or space issues during extraction. Now focus on the middle steps that resolve most failures. Grant Zarchiver full storage permission in Android settings. Without it, the app can't write files. Then open the archive inside Zarchiver and use the app's test archive function or extract to a freshly created folder to avoid overwrites. If you encounter errors, change the archive's extension to zip or 7Z and retry, because mislabeled formats or non-standard compression often break automatic detection. These actions target permission, path, and format causes. Finish by confirming the extracted files open and match expected sizes and dates. That ensures integrity. If Zarchiver crashes or behaves oddly after these steps, clear the app cache in settings or reinstall it to remove corrupted settings. You can also move the archive to a different folder and rerun extraction. One key troubleshooting tip: if the archive remains corrupted or extraction repeatedly fails, transfer it to a PC or use another Zarchiver app to repair or recover contents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.